We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not allowing apps to access the camera. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and I'm finding my iPhone isn't allowing me to go and give camera access to apps. We're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this, as it's really annoying, because you're then unable to go and use the camera in the app. For example, I want to do this for Instagram. I want to be able to go and take stories, take posts, and I can't. So if we come and open up Instagram like so, I'll then go and press the plus to go and start making a story and press the camera icon, and I need to go and give access. So let's go and say you then come to your settings, we'll scroll down and go and find apps. Then we'll go and scroll down and we'll go and find Instagram. This is alphabetical, so I need to come down to here's Instagram. And you may go and find the camera option is not here. So if it is, you can go and switch it on and you can then give it access. But if it's missing, don't worry. We're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. There are different things you can try doing, so make sure it's this full guide, and let's go and dive straight into this. So first of all, you want to try performing a force restart. Often this will go and solve the problem. So press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. That all needs to be done consecutively. Now go and wait. Shortly, it should go and go black. When it goes black though, keep on holding it. I'll let you know when you need to release it. We're going to release it when we go and see the Apple icon. So at this point you can release. Now it'll go and start again. It shouldn't take too long. The newer iPhones are usually pretty quick. If it's older, it can take a little bit longer. Now it's gone and started. So you want to go and unlock it like this. And then what you're going to do is go and head into your settings. You want to go and scroll down, find the option for apps. Then we can scroll down again and you want to go and find Instagram. And hopefully now the option's there and you can go and switch it on. If you're still finding that it's missing, what you want to do is come back, scroll up again, and you need to find the option for general. Scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone. Do not worry, we're not losing all data and settings. Press reset and we can go and reset location and privacy. So you can go and press that there, enter in your passcode and reset it. That'll go and reset those different preferences. Now come back to the app you're having the problem with. For me, let's say it was Instagram. You need to go and get prompted to then go and use the camera. So for example, I could go and press the plus, then press the camera icon. And then hopefully you get a pop-up and you can go and allow access. If you still can't, then what you need to try doing is you need to go and delete the app you're having the problem with. So I could tap and hold on Instagram, press remove app, and I could press delete app. Then you can go and download it again and then try getting prompted to use the camera and you should then be able to.